Hello from Miami. My name is Paul Perito, and I specialize in men's health, specifically penile implants, and we do a lot of them. I'm here today with Thiago Lima from Maceió. I got it. And we worked together 5 years ago doing implants. We worked on papers. He was a fellow with one of my best friends, Ranjith Ramasamy, and this guy is an expert at handling the penis. And I really want you to be aware that you need to look for people with expertise whenever you're doing anything to your penis, whether it's penile girth enhancement or a penile implant. And you can't find anybody more qualified than Thiago. And when we worked together, how many implants did we do that day? 15, only 15. So yeah, we have a lot of experience, and we have spent 14 years holding penises in our hands. So when I tell you that today and yesterday we were working with penile girth enhancement, and this is a patented technique. It's patented in the US, patent pending in Brazil, and this is the only technique that should be done on a penis for penile girth enhancement. And it really should only be done by people like Thiago, because he's devoted his life to taking care of the male genitalia. So we had a great training program here. He's going to be our provider in the northeast of Brazil. And you can speak in Portuguese, English and Portuguese to your people at home. But
well, yeah.
I can't wait for him to be heading down to take care of you.
Well, thank you, Dr. Perito, for the introduction. It was awesome. Amazing course. So, pessoal, então, do Brasil. Essa técnica que o Dr. Perito desenvolveu do UroFill é uma técnica excepcional que usa o ácido hialurônico para aumentar a grossura do pênis. O mais importante em si não é o ácido hialurônico nesse momento, e sim a técnica desenvolvida, porque a técnica garante que o ácido hialurônico se permaneça no pênis por um tempo prolongado. E o pênis, como é uma coisa muito dinâmica, precisa de uma técnica certa. E essa técnica é feita por provedores do UroFill, que o Dr. Perito treinou todos pessoalmente. Então, muito interessante, técnica fascinante, vai ter uma aplicabilidade excepcional no Brasil. Fiquem ligados aí.
So, when you are considering something like this, go to an expert. Go to a store to the penis in English. We're trying to figure out the word in Portuguese, but this is the kind of man, and when we have them women, that you should be going to when you want to have something done. So I can say without exception that you're going to have a great outcome, a reproducible outcome when you go to Thiago. So hope to see you soon and hope to hear from him.
Definitely.